Hi there, and welcome to Little Review Day. Now this one is one I've been waiting to get my fingertips on. It's from Chilli Bird, and it's the white pepper and extra garlic chili oil. And then you have it all there. Now, it does say here, spicy, 3 peppers. Now, in the mix, it does say here you have light and mild olive oil, 40%. Dried red chilies, 12%. Garlic, 10%. Dried bird's eye chilies, 2%. Shallots, is it macroot, lime leaves, white pepper, coriander powder, GF tamari, pink Himalaya salt, and that's your whack. So, here we go once again. Now, if you've seen my previous ones of this, so you've got another 2 versions lower down the scale, and I absolutely love them. The flavour, everything you get. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. This one is just the same, but it does say it's got extra garlic in it as well. So let's get it warmed up. There we go. Obviously, you're getting the garlic. Get it all mixed up. Now, the last 2 that I had, I was slapping it over every one of my meals. The chicken, and honestly, it totally enhanced the flavour. So I can't wait to see what this one's like. So, there you go. There you can see it there, right? You've got absolutely loads in there. As I say, definitely get a good old garlic, sorry. Oh, love that. So, Chilli Bird, your white pepper with extra garlic. Are you going to tickle the big fella's taste buds today? Oh, excuse me. You're getting the oil and all that together, mixed in, and you're getting the garlic. The extra flavours that are coming through there as well. You're getting everything swirling about your mouth. I like it. I can't wait now to try that on one of my meals. I'll struggle to put that down, by the way. Wow. So you're getting the chilies are coming through. I don't think it's going to bother anyone on the heat scale. It's just registering with me and no more. But the flavour, wow. The flavour is off the charts. Absolutely love it. You're definitely getting the garlic hit. So if you like garlic, you're going to love that. If you love like those chili oil that you can get, it's definitely going to enhance any meal that you put it on. You can use that on noodles, chicken, anything. Or even a pasta. Put it all over it. Love it. Well done, Chilli Bird. A good old Fife, Scotland, by the way. Right, there you can see it there. Right, the white pepper and extra garlic. I would say I don't think it's going to bother anybody with heat. With me, it's just registering and no more. But with other people, it may move you up depending, again, I always say, where you are. I don't think it's going to bother a lot of people. I'm more interested in the flavour, and boy, it delivers in bucket loads. Absolutely loved it. Well done. Trust me, get that on your shopping list. Click on their web page, everything else. They've actually brought out honey. which I'm going to try and get my hands on next. But that there is absolutely spot on. Well done. You will not be disappointed with that. Trust me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.